south throughout the day. But these systems pushing in from the Pacific are strong enough that the waves of energy hold together as they cross the country, and it's the reason that we are getting rounds of rain, and this morning, rounds of some light snowfall. We'll zoom in here on satellite and radar. You can see northwest New Jersey pushing out of Pike County into, it looks like Sussex County, some light snow starting to fall. The boundary right now looks like I-78. South of that, rain. North of that, some light snow, but this will continue as we move into the morning commute hours. So if you are north and west of the city, prepare for some slick spots on the roadways with the light snow falling. South of the city, mostly rain. You can see clearly the temperatures are colder as you head a little further north. 30 degrees right now in Monticello, 34 for Poughkeepsie and White Plains. These areas should dip close to the freezing mark right around sunrise, which is why we expect the wet, slushy snow because temperatures are right around the freezing mark. As we put Futurecast into play, yes, we're mostly dry right now, but fast forwarding to 6, 7 o'clock, that's when we expect more activity on the radar. Far north and west, that's the snow. Near the city, that's the rain, but it's still right around the morning commute, so you want to give yourself an extra couple minutes to get where you're going. This moves on by late morning, early afternoon, and for much of the day, I would say lunch hours, we're looking mostly cloudy with just a few areas of drizzle. But then as we head into this evening, right around dinner time, right around that evening commute, that's when we'll start to see shower activity. Temperatures are really warming up, so we expect rain across the board tonight rather than snow, but that rain is fairly heavy overnight into tomorrow morning and fairly consistent. That's when we have the AccuWeather alert with pockets of heavy rain and some thunderstorm activity possible. By late morning tomorrow, this all moves on and things will start to settle down, but also cool off quite a bit. Wind is the other factor here. You'll notice a breeze this afternoon, but very gusty overnight into tomorrow morning. We're looking at gusts near the coast at or at times exceeding 40 miles per hour. So the headlines here, slick spots possible north and west this morning with that wet snow, and then the heavier rain coming in tonight. Rain totals a half an inch up to an inch, and gusty conditions, especially near the coast. The hour-by-hour forecast, it doesn't look great, right? But we have around this morning, quieter this afternoon, and then a round of rain coming in tonight. Temperatures today topping out near 50. Tonight staying very, very warm, which is why we're seeing wet conditions rather than snow, but windy. And then tomorrow, temperatures actually cool throughout the day with that rain wrapping up early. That leaves behind a much colder weekend. A little more sunshine, though, heading into Saturday and Sunday. So, Heather, I have a feeling it'll be a busy morning for us.
Yeah, and I just want you to stop saying that.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
I am prepared for it, and commuters, you need to be prepared for it as well. Leave yourself some extra time. Maybe think about using mass transit or working from home if you can do that. 23 south at Lewisburg Road, accident with a downed pole. We still have 2 lanes closed down. And then on the Garden State Parkway South exit 144, there is a stall. Not causing a tremendous amount of delays, though. George Washington Bridge still checking in with minor delays. LIE east of the Clearview Expressway, that's where we do have this construction set up. 2 lanes are blocked off, and alternate side of the street parking rules are in effect. Charlene and Sandra, over to you.
Thank you very much, Heather. It is now 4:48. The ban on gas stoves, not likely to happen.